it's coming out. Yeah, he'll be doing a standing in here. Pretty bad. No. Okay, don't worry about it. Bunch of wood. Yeah, don't worry about it. What schedule should I go by?
On my top card that I got simple or what? I mean, how do you do that?
Pull that big piece and turn it up so you can see it. With the Thermasteel wall system, you're taking care of 4 steps in one. You're getting your structural member, your sheathing, your insulation, and vapor barrier in one step. Now say you were building a 40-foot wall with the Thermasteel panels and you put 4 openings in it. Whether it be doors or windows, it wouldn't make any difference. You would be handling a total of 10 pieces. Each panel is 4 foot wide and can be whatever length you would like. If you're doing this in conventional construction, think of the number of studs that you're going to have, one every 16 inches that you'll have to be installed. Once you get to those 4 openings, and again, whether they be a door or a window, you're going to have a jack and a king, a header, and a seal if part of them are windows. Now, once you get all that assembled, you still got to come back to that wall, put that sheathing on it. After you put the sheathing, you're going to walk to that wall again and put a vapor barrier on it. Then it has to sit there until you get the house totally dried in. Once the house is dried in, then you're going to come back to that wall one more time and put your insulation. So in essence, you walked around that wall 3 or 4 times at least before it is finished, just for the rough framing. Again, with Thermasteel, you get the end of the 40-foot wall, you're done.